Hello guys, I'm Steve. This is Working On It. So today we are swapping these hydraulic fittings to go, so I put this unit on the tractor and it takes a fitting like this. Now I'm going to put it on the skid steer. It takes a fitting like this. I could make an adapter to go between the two, but it's just not a big deal. Where in the heck is the line on that? There he is. Alright. So, not spilling all the fluid, we're just going to swap this over. Probably ain't going to leak. There's quite a bit of Teflon on there already. Yeah, we'll grab this guy. For some reason, I hate my Wheaties when I tighten these down. And they're on here a little bit tight. So the cool thing is, one of these wrenches I found on the side of the road. And the other one, you'll be hearing a lot of mention of cleanup in the barn across the street. So I found this, which I don't know if that'll focus, but that is Crescent Tool Company, and I don't know if we get a date on there or not. Jamestown, Pennsylvania, or no, Jamestown, New York, and that is a 15-inch, made in USA. Doesn't get any better than that. These old Crescent tools are so much better than the new ones. Here's another one. Crescent Tool Company. So we've been kind of hiding out in the house. We were on top of a hill here. Had a crazy thunderstorm roll through. So now we're going to go out and play a little bit. I'm going to go out and try and split up some of these gigantic firewood rounds. I've got a whole bunch of fir that is, it's all up to 5-foot diameter rounds. Most of them are around 3-4 foot diameter, but I ain't wrestling them by hand. I'm old enough to know better, and still got a little bit of my back left. So we're going to go out there and try that out. Alright, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm splitting these great big rounds. That's a good 4-footer there, and I'm making them into small chunks. And I can easily hand split this stuff. You know, these are 4-foot rounds. These are pretty big. All right, you can see we made quite a little pile here in a few minutes. So I'm just going to keep running through here. Again, the goal is not to make perfect firewood. The goal is to make stuff that I can move around by hand. And I can grab these, roll them through the other log splitter, and make appropriate firewood. You will notice this thing doesn't care. It goes right through knots and stuff, but it makes some pretty ugly looking firewood. That little 4-way that I put on there, it's good that it does make you more smaller pieces, but some of them are just, some of this stuff is just really chewed up looking, whereas the other wood splitter, it cuts like a knife through this stuff. So this does kind of butcher it up, but I'm not dealing with these 4-foot rounds by hand. It'll absolutely kill my back. Oh, this mud is turning to slime. Put you guys, we got sun coming from one direction, we got rain coming from the other direction, and then if you look way over there to way over there, we got double, triple rainbows. So somebody's having a Bud Light party over there somewhere, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put you guys right here and we're gonna try and keep crunching up firewood. So not a whole lot of time and almost no effort on my part. And we've got a little bit of firewood chunked up, so I can easily go through this with an axe and the other hydraulic splitter, and we'll just make this stuff into nice firewood. Alright guys, so this is about an hour after work, after dinner. I just came out, went through this. You gotta be pretty tough to chop through that much wood, great big rounds. So this tool works great, and this is all chunked up. I can easily put it through the little hydraulic splitter now, and we're gonna wrap this one up right here. You can see what's left of this. I need to move the small splitter, and once I move the small splitter, then I'll get the rest of these chunks and we'll clean up this garbage, and I'm going to take the rest of this stuff and clean it up, burn it up, and get it out of here, and this will all get cleaned up and put back into grass. You can see the field out there is starting to look nice. A little bit of rain on it doesn't hurt nothing. So if you like this kind of stuff, shoot us a subscribe if you want to, throw a like down, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.